Hi dear students. So today we are going to see a topic called as Introduction to Microwave Communication. Uh, this is the first topic in microwave engineering subject. So here we have an empathy part, that is we need a high data rate, we need less fading and less power consumption. So these are the problems that we encounter during a communication, and we have to overcome these problems. So we need to look into suitable form of communication systems that can that provides a higher data rate, that requires a good bandwidth, that provides good bandwidth, and that will reduce the size of my antenna. Okay, also we need to take into account the parameters such as line of sight of communication, antenna size, gain, and bandwidth. Okay, when we look into these aspects, which form of communication is suitable for to overcome these empathies that we have discussed. So a series of things will be coming like Bluetooth, infrared, spacecraft, and microwave. So among this, the most suitable form of communication, the electromagnetic radiation, is microwave with wavelength ranging from 1 meter to 1 millimeter. That is the frequency range from 300 megahertz to 300 gigahertz. Okay. So different sources define different frequency ranges microwaves. The above broad definition includes ultra high frequency and millimeter wave bands. A common mode of definition in radio frequency engineering is the range between 1 and 100 gigahertz is termed as a microwave frequency range, or it is between zero point 0.3 meter to 3 millimeter. In all cases, microwave include the entire SH band, that is 3 to 30 gigahertz or 10 to 1 centimeter at minimum. Okay, the frequencies in the microwave range are often referred to by their IEEE radar band designations, etc. The prefix micro in microwave is not meant to suggest a wavelength in the microwave range. Rather, it indicates the microwaves are small or shorter wavelengths compared to the radio waves used prior to the microwave technology. The boundaries between far infra, terahertz range microwaves or ultra high frequency range are fairly arbitrary to be used as variously between different field of study. So it travels by line of sight, unlike lower frequency radio frequency, they do not diffract. Uh, so it follows the Earth's surface as ground surface as reflects from the ionosphere. So terrestrial microwave communication links are limited by the visual horizon to about 40 miles. At the high end of the microwave, they are absorbed by gases in the atmosphere, limiting practical communication distance low. So now it is an activity time, students. You can find which numbers will be suitable, and you can note it down in the paper you have in your hand. Now the wavelength of the microwave frequency. The wavelength is, as discussed above, the wavelength is about 30 centimeter to 1 centimeter range. The wavelength very small, wavelength is very small, and the phase varies rapidly when compared to that of this wavelength. The frequency band, as we discussed, so microwave occupy a place in the electromagnetic spectrum with frequency above ordinary radio waves and below the infrared light. In the description of the microwave, in the description of the electromagnetic spectrum, some sources classify microwaves as radio waves itself, a subset of the radio wave band, while the others classify microwave as distinct type of radiation. Now students, now you are going for an assessment technique. You can think, you can pair and share. You can think the concepts you have learned here, then you can pair among yourself, and now then you can share your ideas that you have, share your knowledge that you have understood from this topic. Okay.